Struggling with cough and colds in this winter? Try these natural Ayurvedic remedies for quick relief. Tulsi Tea, boil tulsi leaves in water for a soothing drink. Honey and ginger, mix grated ginger with honey for instant relief. Turmeric milk, warm milk with a pinch of turmeric fights inflammation. Steam inhalation, add eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale. Clove and cardamom, chew these spices to ease throat irritation. Avoid cold water or beverages, they can worsen symptoms. Avoid processed foods, stick to light, fresh meals. Avoid dairy in excess, may increase mucus. Avoid overexertion, rest is key to healing. Stay warm, stay hydrated, and let Ayurveda bring you comfort this winter.